Which one? Which one?
Oh, we gotta go red.
Okay, you go red, I'll go green.
Yeah.
Wait, you gotta cheers me first. Got it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hello.
Mm-hmm. Well, where the kids go? Oh, they're there.
They wanted to go through the water.
Oh. They don't like riding with Dad on the trails?
No, because Dad gets stuck too much.
Oh.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
Okay, wait. What? I'm bad with names. Names again. I know Primo.
Alejandro.
You're not Alejandro.
Primo's fine.
Primo.
Michelle.
Michelle. Okay. We were just waiting for him, right?
No, we're waiting. No, he's ready now. He's
Hey, ride it. Ride it. Carlos is gonna get, Paul's gonna get him.
Okay.
Watch out, I see you coming. I see you come. Oh shit, I got it. I got it. It's almost slipped and fell. deja vu right now. Because I feel like you were just in the same hole just a while ago.
Got you on film, baby.
I mean, what happened this time?
You got a jello shot?
Oh, I got the jello shot. No. You get 5 jello shots when you can make this one.
Come back.
Shit, you gonna go out to the back. Hey, what's your wife's name?
Carol.
Carol. You might want to get out of this one for just a second so that it's gonna go. She's all like this.
She loves the mud.
Give him a boost.
You ever seen that dog where he hangs